I wake up at 6 a.m. I stretch and yawn to start my day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I pack my bag and leave for school. I go to school on time. I attend classes and take notes. I have lunch with my friends. I play sports or relaxing during recess. I finish school at 2 p.m. I do my homework and study. I have snack to recharge. I watch TV or read a book. I help with household chores. I have dinner with my family. I spend time with my siblings. I practice my hobby or skill. I take a walk or exercise. I shower and get ready for bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I set my alarm for the next day. I plan my outfit for tomorrow. I review my schedule for the next day. I say my prayers. I write my journal or diary. I listen to music or podcast. I make to-do list for tomorrow. I charge my device for the night. I lock my door and turn off lights. I get comfortable in bed. I read a book before sleeping. I say good night to my family. I set reminders for important tasks. I check the weather for tomorrow. I smile and prepare for new day.